Hello students, in today's class we continue the pair of linear equation in two variables. That is exercise 3.5 third problem. So the problem given is solve the following pair of linear equations by substitution method and also cross multiplication method. So the equation is given here, or the problem is given. Two equations are there. So we have to solve this by both the substitution and cross multiplication method. So first we start with the substitution method. So the two equation we will just write down in the general form, that is 8x plus 5y minus 9 is equal to 0. This is the equation number 1. Next is 3x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 is the second equation. So now to start the problem, first we have to take the equation. We will consider this equation 1. So first step, consider equation 1. So what we have to do, as we know, we have to find out y from this variable. So just we write down, that is 5y is equal to 9 minus 8. We'll find out y from this equation. So we can write 5y is equal to 8x. 5y is equal to 9 minus 8x. So therefore now we can write y is equal to 9 minus 8x by 5. This is y. So after this, what is the next step? Next step is, so substitute this. So give this as equation 3. So now next step is substitute y is equal to 9 minus 8x by 5 in equation 2. So now we substitute, that is 3x. So we'll continue here. So we'll continue the problem here. So what happens, that is 3x. So write down the equation once again. 3x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Then 3x plus, substitute for y, 2 into 9 minus 8x by 5 minus 4 is equal to 0. So what happens next? This cross multiply this. 5 3s are, this one becomes 15x plus, bring 2 inside the brackets, 2 into 9 will become 18. Again 2 into 8 will be 16x. Again 5 into 4 will be 20. So now bring all x, solve this x and also the number without the variable. So 15x minus 16x will become, that is minus x. 18 minus 20 will become how much? That is 2. Minus 2, when it comes this side, it will become plus 2. So therefore what we get, x is equal to minus 2 we are getting. Next step is substitute. So what happens? Substituting, x is equal to minus 2 in equation 3. Equation 3. Write down equation 3. Equation 3 is equal to, that is y is equal to 9 minus 8x by 5. Now we'll substitute here, that is y is equal to 9 into minus 8 into minus 2 by 5. Therefore y is equal to 9 minus 8 2s are 16, plus comes this side, therefore 16 by 5. Therefore this will become 9 plus 16 will be 25. 25 by 5 will become 5 1s are 5 5s are. Therefore we get y is equal to 5 here. finally we get or just write x is equal to, the result is -2 and y is equal to 5 is the answer. Solution for the third question by substitution method. We move on to the next method, that is cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. So what we have to do here, in this again we'll write down the equations. So here write down the in general form, that is 8x plus 5y minus 9 is equal to 0 is equation 1. Then 3x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 is the second equation. So these are the two equations. Now write down here, that is in the first equation a1 is equal to 8, b1 is equal to 5 and c1 is equal to -9. Next in the second equation a2 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to 2 and c2 is equal to -4. So we have this formula for the cross multiplication, that is x by b1 c2 minus c2 b2 c1, which is equal to y by, that is c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So this is the equation for the cross multiplication method. Now we substitute the values in the above equation, that is 5 into minus 4 minus of 2 into -9, which is equal to y by, that is -9 into 3 minus of 4 into 8, which is equal to 1 by that is 8 into 2 minus 3 into 5. So now we have to simplify this, that is x by, what we get, -20 plus 9 2s are 18, which is equal to y by, that is -27 plus 8 4s are 32, which is equal to 1 by 8 2s are 16, 5 3s are 15. So now again simplify, we get x by -20 plus 18 will become -2, which is equal to y by -27 plus 32 will become +5. Again we have 16 minus 15 will be 1. So now take these two and these two. So first we will take x by -2, which is equal to 1 by 1. Then y by +5 is equal to 1 by 1. Cross multiply this, cross multiply this. So x into x, x into 1, x, -2 into 1, -2. Therefore here y into 1, y, 5 into 1, 5. Therefore same result we got in both the cases, that is substitution method and cross multiplication method. Final answer is x is -2 and y is equal to 5. So this is the solution for the cross multiplication method. We move on to the next problem. That is the fourth problem. We completed the third problem. We move on to the fourth problem. Here, form the pair of linear equation in the following problems and find their solution if there exists by any algebraic method. So here the first problem given is a part of monthly hostel charge is fixed and the remaining depends upon the number of days one has taken the food in the mess. So here this problem is about hostel charges, how much charge is fixed for the food here, and one, and also we have to calculate the food charge per day. Depends upon, so this depends upon number of days that student take the food in the mess. So when a student A takes the food for 20 days, she has to pay rupees 1000 as the hostel charges, whereas the student B who takes food for 26 days pays 1180 as the hostel charges. Find the fixed charges and the cost of the food per day. So a fixed charge will be there in the hostel for the food. So and also how much they charge per day, we have to calculate. So first step is cost. We'll take, that is for the cost of food. This is solution. So first sentence is cost of food per day. So what is cost per day? We don't know, that is we'll take as rupees small a. So next is for, that is in the bracket for 1 day we can write. So that is we have taken as rupees a. Okay, next let the fixed, these all assumptions. So like the fixed hostel charge, the fixed hostel charge, that is we have to take for, is equal to, we can take it as rupees b, that is for how much, for month. So for 1 month, or monthly you can write, month or monthly. So next we took this one both as rupees a and rupees b. Next statement is student A, first sentence of the problem. Student A takes 20 days food and pays how much, and pays how much is rupees 1000. The student A pays how much for 20 days, rupees 1000. Okay, next is student B. Student B takes for how many days? That is 26 days. 26 days food and pays how much? Rupees 1180. So keep this. Okay. So now we have to write the equation for both. For first student we'll write, that is 20. What is the first food per day? Cost food per day is 20a plus. So next is charges, fixed charges b, which is equal to how much? 1000. So this will be equation 1. Next, that is how many days? That is 26a plus b is equal to 1180 is the second equation. So we got two equations from the two statements of the problem. This is the number of days and this is the amount. This is number of days, this is the amount. So fixed charges in both the cases we don't know, so we have kept it as b. So from equation 1, so we take how much? That is 20a plus b is equal to 1000. So what we have to do? We'll find b here. B is 1000 minus 20a. This will be how much? Equation 3. So what we have to do now? Substitute 3 in equation 2. So that is b in equation 2. So what happens here? Take the equation 2, 26a plus b is equal to 1180 Then substitute this. 26a plus b is how much? 1000 here. 1000 minus 2a is equal to 1180. So now what happens? We have to simplify this. 100 goes this side. Means these two will become 26 minus 2a. Sorry, this is 20a. 100 minus this is 20. I have written. Okay. 26 minus 20 will become how much? 6a. Then this one 1180 minus this is 1000. 1000 will become 180. Where we get a is equal to 180 by 6, which is equal to 30. 6 ones are 630. 3 zeros are. So we are getting a is equal to 30. We will continue the problem. Okay. Next. Here how much we are getting? This one. I'll just write 3.4. Fourth problem. First problem. So here how much we got? A equal to 30 we got. Now substitute A is equal to 30 in equation how much? Equation 3. So what is equation 3? That is b is equal to 1000 minus 20a. So 1000 minus what is 20? 20 into 30 will become how much? That is 1000 minus 600, which is equal to how much? 400. Finally what we can write? The cost of food per day is how much? That is A we are getting rupees 30, and next is the monthly, that is A. So the monthly fixed charge is how much? Rupees 400. This is B. So we got both the answer A and B, that is the cost of food per day is rupees 30. The monthly fixed charge is 400. So this is the solution for the third problem and the first problem. If you have any doubts, comment me, subscribe my channel, share, like all the videos. Thank you.